Listen, as a content creator, I didn't figure this out like I should have figured it out. I didn't think it all the way through. I didn't. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am KEDASKREATIONS, and for all my newbies, if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Push those notifications bells on so you can receive every video that I put out. Okay, and you won't skip a beat. You're not skipping not one smidge of a beat. Okay, all right. Moving forward. I guess I'm going to be doing that today. And I got to clean over there. I be dreading to take my tree down. I be so hyped to put it up. But when it's time to take it down, I be like, but you be so anxious. There's always dishes in the sink, I tell you. If I cook, just please have, be courteous and just wash the damn dish out. Dang. And I said over and over again, I'm not washing the dishes. I'm not washing the dishes. Dang. Guess I gotta wash the dishes. But I'm hungry. I'm doing intermittent fasting. I think I am. I don't know what I'm doing. But right now, I'm gonna fix me something to eat. And Candy, your food empty. Your bowl empty. I'm gonna fix me something to eat. Let me fill your bowl back up. Let me show y'all what my dog eats. This is one brand that he eats. Peak Raw Bites. Y'all see that? Look it up. See how much it costs. Okay? Peak Raw Bites. It's like so healthy for a dog. It has like all natural ingredients in it. Chicken protein, grain, gluten free, all that, everything. It has everything in it. And when I say he don't eat cheap, just look it up. Just look and see how this is. Like I said, this is like top tier. Sometimes I get pedigree and kibbles and bits, but he'd be like, no, I don't want that. You already got me hooked. But that's secondary, but this is top tier. This is what he normally eats. And this shit is not cheap, okay? So, I gotta fill his container back up. Look, he looking. Look how I'm looking. Look. You want some of this? Huh? You want some of this? Sometimes you think it's something else. Because I had snacks up here too. But, nah, buddy. It's the regular smuggler. The regular smuggler. Yeah, that's your food right there. Yeah, bud. It is. Yeah, it is. That's it. Yeah. You thought it was something else. So, I don't know what I'm going to eat. Want something? And, figure it out. And I'll be back. I am back, and I have made me some food. I made me a salad. I'm gonna show y'all my salad. This is my salad I made. It's a science to these soft-boiled eggs. I'm telling y'all. These soft-boiled eggs, I'm telling y'all, it takes some effort. And if they're not out the pot in a accurate time, they're going to turn hard. And mine's are like semi-soft. But I got some turkey ham in here. Some lettuce, as you can see. And it's not really nothing. There's no cheese in here. It's just some cucumbers and some avocado over there. You know, but like I said, and for dressing, it's going to be some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, and some lemon juice, because you don't want to be heavy on the dressing. Some of us black people they like to be heavy on the dressing, and I do too, but I'm trying to lose some weight. But let me just show you how much I weigh, because we're going to we're going to do this together. And let me put the camera down so y'all can see how much I weigh. Because I don't know if I should, I don't know now. 10 pounds is a lot. And how much I weigh now, if I lose 10 pounds, I think I'm going to be looking a little sick. I don't know. But we'll figure it out. Let me put this camera down. Let me show y'all. Let me get it right. Hold on. Gotta turn it around. Let me get it right so y'all can see. Remember last time I did this? Alright, let's see. And I got all my clothes on, so we're going to deduct like a pound. There was a wet spot on here. 158. No, 16. Stop playing with me. 159.9. So, if I lose weight 10 pounds, let me turn y'all around. I gotta get better with this. This is gonna make me look like, let me do it again. But it's gonna make me look sick. So now I think I'm just going to tone up real good, like I've been doing. And y'all, I have an update too. COVID, I don't have it, but it's like my symptoms. It's like I'm still having like a little congestion. And like wheezing, just a smidge, a little bit, you know. And I heard that when you have COVID, you still have them symptoms in your body, but they're not reacting as if you have COVID severe. But I don't know, but I still feel like a little wheezing, and that's why I haven't been at the gym, because like I said, I like to be on a treadmill and I like to run. But that's no excuse. Here or there to not be at the gym. But I just have like my girlfriend, she had it and she didn't get her taste back for like 2 months. And when I talked to my doctor was like, "Oh yeah, that happens. So when you get it, you'll have symptoms still in your body." And I didn't know you can still test positive. I didn't test positive, but you can still test positive for like 4 weeks after you had COVID, and you would not be contagious. Listen, people be trying to go on vacations, you know. Shoot, thank God I was negative, and I hope I continue to be negative. But shit, I'm trying to be on somebody's plane or an island or something, both. But let me eat my food, and yeah, that's what I wanted to tell y'all, the update. I am so dreading taking this tree down. I am dreading taking this tree down. But I gotta take it down. Because my house need a good cleaning. Well, my downstairs, my upstairs, I'll be cleaning it all the time anyway, especially my bathrooms. I hate nasty ass bathrooms, especially if you got boys and they pissing all over the place. I hate it. Can't stand it. You gotta clean your bathroom daily, like every day. Bleach, microban, whatever solution that's gonna kill them germs. You have to clean it. But enough talking. Let me eat my food and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm mad. It was a defect in this scale. Alright? Cause I just weighed myself again. And it didn't say what I just weighed about a minute ago. I'm gonna show y'all what it said. Now I really do think I want to lose 10 pounds. Come on. Don't be showing off now. Show them the real deal. 165.9. Y'all see that? So y'all know I'm losing. I'm definitely losing it now. What did it say? 150. I don't know. 159 or 158, which is that's like 7 pounds. But I want to come down 10 pounds. But I was like, wait a minute. I don't feel 157 or 159. I feel like 165. And I knew I was right. So yeah. We're on a journey. Yep, we're on a journey. That scale had me. It had me fooled. It had me fooled. God damn. I thought I was less than what I was. Oh well. In the meantime, between time, I'll be back.
She was don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
If I didn't go to the gym today, that was a workout. And I'm still not done. I'm still not done. If my lips are purple, I've been sipping. Listen. As a content creator, I didn't figure this out like I should have figured it out. I didn't think it all the way through. I didn't. Because why the hell? I got my whole dining room done. Y'all seen that, right? And then I have this. I have that. Christmas decor ornaments. Christmas decor ornaments. The tree is butt booty ass naked. And then I got some Christmas ornaments here. Christmas ornaments there. Because you know why they're here? All my shit is in storage. All my boxes and everything is in storage. And I was just trying to get this shit together. I'm like, listen, I just want it down so I can clean my house and all that. But my dining room, I love. Don't y'all love my dining room? Like I said, that's my best. That's the best part of the room in the house. The best part. But I had figured out something. Look what I did, y'all. I'm always doing something to my house. But I had took these lights. I'm gonna turn off the lights so y'all can see them. And I had I think they a vibe. Let me show y'all. Do y'all think these a vibe? I think these a vibe. These are LED lights I had mixed them with my Christmas decorations. And I was like, oh shoot, they still working because I thought the battery was dead. But ain't that a vibe? What y'all think? Let me know down below. Should I fill this side up with this side? I mean, along with that down there. And should I do the other one to make it look like something? Let me turn the light all the way off. You see how it's looking? Or no? What y'all think? I'm loving my dining room. I'm loving it. I love it. I don't know, but I like them. I really like them. Or they have like lights up here. Maybe I should get that. The lights that stick up here. And I don't know about I don't know if they're going to stick good on glass. But they're rechargeable. And I seen Peyton Charles had them in her closet and it looks so nice. So maybe I should invest in that. She said they was like $30 for two. And maybe I should invest in that. We'll see. We'll see. But I still got some cleaning to do. And no, y'all don't have to clean with me. Let me get in the light. Y'all don't have to clean with me because I'm damn near done. My husband just gotta get the storage. Go to the storage and get the boxes for the Christmas decorations. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Ken, don't be choking now, damn it. The veterinarian is not open tonight. I don't think this time of night. Don't be the hell choking. I heard you. You be going to the human hospital. Shit. I just gotta sweep. I gotta mop. And I still gotta put my mirror up. My husband still gotta put this mirror up, y'all. This mirror, I have to put this mirror up. Look at this mirror. And I had thrifted for $12, and the original price was $300. And I think I showed her that. And it's gonna go there. Like, I don't have much room in my house, but it's gonna go there because I don't have no room there. I don't have no room there. I don't have no room there. I don't have no room. I don't have no room. So it's gonna go on that wall. That's why I need a bigger house. That's why I need a bigger house. I got to just speak it. But y'all, like I said, I'm about to end this vlog. And I'm hungry. Because I have to eat something. Only ate that salad today. That's it. So I have to eat something. Drink something. Some more. Yeah, but let me know what y'all think about. Should I leave those lights in my curio? I like them. I love like the night scene and like, you know, looking like a elegant and grown woman and soft and romantic and all that type scenes. I just love it. I just love a warm feeling in a home. You know what I'm saying? Like a warm, cozy feeling, and there's nothing better than a clean home, and it's warm. And it's cozy, and it's elegant, or to your liking, you know. My elegant may not be your elegant, but I'm not going to talk because I've been drinking. So I thank y'all for cleaning with me and listening to my shenanigans, and I welcome you into my home. You know, how about that? Y'all all up in the place. Y'all all up in the place with the invite. Yes, you are. But like I said, thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the content. Well, I thank you for the content. See, it's the wine. It's the wine. I thank y'all for the content. Y'all thank me for the content. Cannon, what you want to say to the viewers? Huh? Do you want to say anything to the viewers? To my subscribers? You need a haircut bad, buddy. Do you want to say anything? Yeah, because they seen that expensive food. Y'all know that food is by Rachel Ray, and it's damn near $30 for a 12-pound bag. Did y'all look it up when I told her to look it up? I told her that shit is like kind of pricey, and for kibbles and bits and what is it? The other dog food I normally buy. It's like a 50-pound bag, and I'm only paying like $17. But his digestive system, and he's old. My dog is like 14 years old, so I like to give him the best because he's getting old, and his kidneys and his liver and stuff like that. Sometimes it can't take the cheap shit. But that's another subject. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to end this vlog. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for the subscribers. Any feedback, let me know, comment down below. Yeah. Until we meet again, guys, I love y'all. Be safe. Peace.